Good evening all, this is Tom here. The sounds of trains tonight. All my mainline locos now have sound in them, and I have 3 engines that have old decoders in them, and I'm going to swap them out for Tsunami 2s. This one here is one of them. I don't like the way this engine runs. I turn up the speed steps and then eventually it goes. And there's a delay in there and I can't figure out what CV it is. And when I get this Tsunami 2, that'll clear that problem up. So now I want to play around with it. And I mean, the sound in that works. That's a Lock Sound 5 decoder in there, but I like the Tsunami 2s better. That's my personal preference. This guy over here, he has an old Tsunami decoder in it. I don't know, or maybe version 1 maybe. It's an MP15 decoder, and so I'm going to get a Tsunami 2 for that guy. But the headlights, the lights in there are bulbs, and they're 5 volts, and the new decoder's like 1.5 volts. So I got to swap the lights out in that guy to LEDs, which is a good thing anyway, because the front LED on that guy doesn't work anymore. So I was going to replace it. Now with the decoder, I'll make it all one project to get that going. And then up on the 3rd level, let's get up there. We got the 2 Lehigh Valley engines there. I got to fix the consist, because when I put the new decoder in the rear engine that has a Tsunami 2 in it now, and I got a new, the addressing and all that, I have to delete the consist and recreate it, no big deal. And this guy here, I have a new Tsunami decoder coming for it, and I'll explain why. The Pennsylvania engines over there in the corner, they both have Tsunami 2 decoders in it. So all my mainline engines will have Tsunami 2s, which I like, and here's the reason why. Here's this guy. He has a Tsunami 2 in it. You can hear it running with all the other ones running, and I'm going to make it go forward, and the horn will sound automatically. All I'm doing is turning up the speed on the throttle. I'm not touching the horn button or button number 2 or 3 or any of those buttons, and you'll hear what happens. And that's speed step 2. Now I'm going to stop it, and you heard the horn for the stop. Now I'm going to put it in reverse. Hear how it gave 3 short toots? That's speed step 2. That's crawling right along there. The ESU decoder would have never did that. So let me see if we go over. I was going to show you something over here, but I forget what I did. Let's see. Headlight is on. There we go. Headlights on that guy now. So, just got to run these engines up here a little bit and stuff like that and get them going. We get the consist on this guy, and then I can run trains. This guy here happened to be in the roundhouse, so I got to put him back in there. And then I can run these trains. So we got a lot to do, and we'll see what happens. Over there's my workbench. That's the cleanest it's been in a week. I like to work on a project, and then I have all my tools and everything, and then once I'm done, everything gets put away and ready for the next project. Harley's down there resting in his bed, and these are tunnels that I'm working on. There's a tunnel on the workbench too, so I like to get that project going over the holiday if I ever get my 3D printer in. So we'll just see how it goes. Like that holder there for that power cab, I 3D printed that. I made my own and printed that guy. That was when it was working. So that's pretty much it. So I'll do a video of all the trains running over the holidays, and we'll go from there. So as you can hear, all the engines are going, and that's what I wanted. So we'll all see you in the next video, and everybody have a great day. Take care.